Today we're dedicated to preparing grilled octopus, a dish rich in marine flavors, enhanced by the freshness of lemon and parsley, a true Italian flavor touch. Ingredients: an octopus of about 1.5 kilograms, already cleaned. 2 cloves of garlic. As much fresh parsley as you want. Lemon juice. As much extra virgin olive oil as you want. Salt and pepper. First, make sure the octopus is tender. If you don't have an already tenderized octopus, you'll need to boil it in cold water and let it cook until it becomes tender. Then let it cool in the cooking water. After cooling it down, you'll need to drain it and cut it into pieces. Prepare a marinade with extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, chopped garlic, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley, and let the octopus pieces marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat a grill or hot plate to medium-high heat and cook the octopus pieces for about 2-3 minutes per side. Serve the grilled octopus with a drizzle of raw extra virgin olive oil and, if you like, a dusting of fresh ground pepper and chopped parsley. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover new and delicious recipes. Trivia: octopus is a classic of Mediterranean cuisine, often eaten during festivities and special occasions. One technique to tenderize the octopus beyond boiling is freezing. Learn more about this and other recipes on our website, and remember to subscribe to not miss any updates. Thanks for following us, and bon appetit!